This is in Pingjin Senior High School's garden. We always take a rest here. Is it beautiful? You can visit us here. Thank you.
Hey everyone, this is our garden. You can take a break and you can sleep, jump, and dancing. All can you do? All can you think you can do in there? This is a good place to give me a place to sleep.
Hello everyone, this is Alan. This is Pingjin Senior High School's basketball court. As you can see, there are many people playing the basketball. We always take our PE class here, and we always feel it is interesting. Thank you everyone. Hello everyone, this is our school. Here is our school gate. You can enter to our beautiful school from here. And on my right hand is our stadium. You can do any sports in it. And we have a colorful school life in here. Welcome to our school. Thank you.